Hello, class. For math today, we're going to continue talking about adding two three-digit numbers. But today, we're going to do something a little different with them than we did the first time you saw one of these. Let me show you on the board. I have a problem all written out. Here I have 327 plus 235. Now, if it helps, you can still draw lines between the hundreds, tens, and ones to remind you of what column belongs where. So here we have the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Now, here's a little bit of a clue. Do you remember these little boxes that show we're carrying? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you carry from the ones column to the tens column, even though there's still a hundreds column over here. Let's start at step one. We always add in the ones column first. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Remember musical chairs? You cannot put two digits in one column. That's not allowed. So the 2 gets to stay because he's in the ones column, but the 1 has to get carried to the tens column. Now this is very important. 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. Remember? 1 10 and 2 ones. So when we carry the 1, we carry it to the tens column. You do not carry it to the hundreds column. So we've carried it to the ones column. We've carried the 1 to the tens column. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is a one-digit number, so it can stay right in that column. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 327 plus 235 equals 562. If you take a look at your paper today, that was the first combination on page was it? 310. So if you want to pause the video and go ahead and get out your workbook page, I'll do the other two with you. So the answer for this one was 562. 562. You can just write that answer since we did it together. If you want, you can put your 1 here, because remember this was 12. We put our 2, carried our 1. 1 plus 2 was 3, plus 3 was 6, and 3 plus 2 was 5. That's how we got 562. All right, ready for this one? They decided to draw the lines for you to help you see that we're dealing with 3 different columns: hundreds, tens, and ones. The ones column is where we start. 6 plus 6 is 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1, 2. 4 plus 5, 9. 920, I'm doing it backwards, 922, yes, 922. All right, let's do this one. You answer, even though I can't hear you, you answer and do it with me, please. Here we go. Ones column first. 4 plus 6 is 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 760, 760. Let's take a look at the story problems together. Tanya knows 12 letters in sign language. Tina knows only 5 letters. How many more minus letters does Tanya know than Tina? So your sentence, say it with me. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Springer buried 8 bones, circle 8, Saturday, and 4, circle 4, bones on Sunday. How many bones did he bury all together on the weekend? Is that an addition word or a subtraction word? Addition. So say the sentence together. 8 plus 4 equals 12. And then the answer goes in both boxes. Use tally marks to show these facts. Do you remember with tally marks, for example, the 7, whenever you do your 5th line, it goes across. That makes 5, but you needed to do 7, so you start another group, but you stop after just 2 lines because 5 plus 2 gives you the 7. So that's what you would put in the first row here. You would put the 5 and then 2 more. Plus 4, you'll just write 4 steps. And then that will represent 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do the same for these. Down here, write the difference. That means the answer to a subtraction problem. They are all subtraction, but they're with they're 2-digit subtraction. So remember, do the ones column first and then do the tens column. Make sure you also go back and do page 309, and you should be able to do everything on that page. I'll take a quick peek at it, but I'm not planning to do this one with you. I just definitely wanted to help you with the 3-digit addition that involved carrying. Get my paper turned around here. There we go. All right, yes, you can do this. See, this is 2-digit addition with carrying. Write the before and the after numbers by 2s. Remember, you can use your counting chart if you need to, because these are higher. These are in the 100 to 200 chart. But just look in the ones column, and that will show you your pattern. Color a half dozen eggs. This is a dozen. Color a half dozen. Circle the digit in the hundreds place. And then decide if they were adding or subtracting to get to their answer, and either put the plus sign or the minus sign in the flower. Okay, that is it. After you finished, please take a photo and send it to me in Google Classroom. Bye-bye.